Can't decide on a font combination? Let Illustrator randomize and preview them for you in just a few clicks. Today, I'm going to show you 3 powerful scripts that will level up your typography game. First, you'll be able to randomly display up to 20 fonts installed in your system instantly. Second, generate 8 beautiful font pairs, styled as header and body, with just 1 click. And the third tool? It lets you split your text into individual lines for total layout control. Stick around till the end, because I'll also reveal some of my favorite font pairs that you can start using right away in your own projects. The FontDisplayGeneratorRandom script instantly displays your custom text in up to 20 randomly selected fonts already installed on your system. You can choose whether or not to show the font names. Here's an example of the display without font names. With the font pairing generator script, you can preview 8 randomly generated font pairings each time you click. You also have the option to display the results in either inverse color or grayscale for different visual moods. Here's a sample display in grayscale. Each click reveals a fresh new pair. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Design Optimus, and turn on notifications to stay updated with more powerful design tools. The TextSplitter script breaks down paragraphs into individual point text lines based on your preferences, perfect for more control in your designs. Try it out and explore what it can do. Want even more fonts displayed at once? I've created an upgraded version of the font display generator that features a compact view layout, letting you preview more fonts on a single screen, quickly and efficiently. Building on the basic version, the Font Display Generator Premium script allows you to display up to 1,000 sample texts at once, with each font numbered directly on the artboard for easy reference. There's also a short text display option, perfect for showcasing a wider variety of fonts per page using a custom character set of your choice. Grab the premium version from my Etsy link below, and don't forget to use the promo code for a special discount. As a bonus, you'll also receive an enhanced version of the text splitter, which can now split paragraph text by full sentences, giving you even more flexibility in your designs. Here are a few of my favorite font pairings. Feel free to use them in your designs. I can't wait for you to like this video and subscribe if you're enjoying the series so far. Coming up next, we're diving into how to create color palettes instantly using nothing but scripts.